Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover stacked charts and what you can do with them. A stacked chart is a chart in which you can specify further breakdown of information per chart element. In this example that I've put together here, this is a bar chart of opportunity pipeline by stage. And if we go ahead and preview it, we will see that these opportunity records are filtered for opportunity stages that are open, so this is the pipeline, and we have those further broken down into stacks on the individual chart elements. We've broken them down by opportunities where the amount is less than $10,000. That's this dark blue color, $10,000 to $24,999. That's this medium blue color. And then $25,000 and up is the light blue color. So here we can see in the stacks, for example, on the needs analysis stage, we have 24 out of 30 opportunities that are less than $10,000, 4 out of 30 that are $10,000 to $24,999, and 2 that are $25,000 and up. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, and we will delete this, and I'll add it again and show you exactly how the setup works. So I'll delete both of these. We will come back to our charts. I will search for a stacked chart. You can use a horizontal bar chart, a side horizontal bar chart, or a line chart. I'm going to stick with the horizontal bar chart. Go ahead and select your source. In our case, we'll use opportunity. We'll pick up to 2,000 records, which is the limit. In the conditions, this is where we set up our stacks. How do we want to break the information down? So we'll go ahead and add a stack. If we want to do, as that example chart showed, that we want to only show in the first stack open opportunities that are of value less than $10,000. So we want to pick the field closed. First condition, closed equals field Boolean false, so it's not closed. And we'll filter here by the amount less than a static value of 10,000. And we will rename our stack less than 10,000. This is what will show up in the legend as the label. So that's how it looks. Let's add some additional stacks. A second stack. This one we want 10,000 to less than 25,000. So we'll label it like so, 10,000 to 24,999. And the conditions on this will be, again, open opportunity, closed equals Boolean false, and amount greater than static value of 9999 and amount less than static amount 25,000. And that's how that looks. Let's add one more stack for opportunity amounts $25,000 and up. We'll add a third stack. I will call this greater than 25. Actually, let's call this 25 and up, $25,000 and up. The conditions will be, again, closed equals field Boolean false and amount greater than static value 24,999. Click next. X-axis stage will order descending. The Y-axis, simply a count of the records. Anything will work. I'll pick a count of opportunity ID. Let's apply this, make it big enough to where we can see. I'll save it, and let's go ahead and preview. And there we go, just as we saw before. You can also set in the stacks charts interactivity options a number of things. For example, the total stack value. This is unique to the stack charts. Go ahead and enable this, and you'll see how it lists the count of records by the stack elements. Let's see how that looks. And now you see the total record count shown by the stage. For example, in prospecting is 14. 7 of those are less than $10,000. 3 of them are $10,000 to $24,999. And 4 are $25,000 and up. And that is how it's done.